Welcome to Summer Island. This stunning oceanfront home located along South Beach offers uninterrupted ocean views from almost every room. The spacious downstairs living area is the perfect spot to sit back, relax, and unwind. A sitting area just off the main living space is specifically designed to bring families together. 2 bedrooms can be found on the entry level of this home, including a large master suite. This suite has direct access to a screened-in porch, making it ideal for enjoying morning coffee and fresh ocean breezes. One of the 3 guest bedrooms can also be found downstairs. This room comes complete with a daybed, trundle, and a coloring desk. A large kitchen, complete with a center island and granite countertops, invites family and friends to gather for homemade meals, wine, and spirits. 2 additional master suites can be found in the upstairs living space of this home, both with access to open-air decks offering magnificent views of South Beach. Also on the second floor is a kid-friendly guest room furnished with a set of bunks. A second sitting area central to the upstairs bedrooms is perfectly positioned for gathering and gaming. An additional bedroom can be found just above the garage in a detached crofter cottage. With 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and stunning ocean views, Summer Island remains one of Bald Head Island's premier properties. Find more information and book online at baldheadisland.com, Summer Island.